Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie.
Hey dolls, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey girl. And don't forget to hit that notifications button so you know when I'm dropping another video. So y'all, I have this hair here from Yolissa and the hair is absolutely beautiful, okay? I absolutely love the construction and the knots actually bleached really well. Now I'm gonna show y'all real quick on how I got this skunk patch. It was super duper easy and I feel like you can do this at home, honey. It's really, really simple. I did go ahead and section out the part or the patch that I actually wanted, but I will say this. I'm gonna say this, girl. This hair is definitely virgin because when I used this blonde brilliance to lift it, it only lifted to a 27. And I caught myself going back in and trying to lift it again. Baby, don't do that. Don't do that, girl. Because I noticed that it started shedding after I tried to lift it the second time. So I can definitely tell this was virgin hair. So if you're trying to get it to a 613, I probably wouldn't use this particular hair. But the 27 came out so super cute and I absolutely love the way this look came out. So as y'all can see, I have parted it into 3 sections. I really wanted to make sure that the hair was saturated on both sides so that it would lift evenly. And then also too, you want to make sure that you're combing through the hair. Like you don't want it to be patchy. You don't want your patch to be patchy. You just don't want that, girl. So I went ahead and made sure that I not only applied the bleach generously, but I went ahead and made sure that it was throughout all of the hair. So I left it on there for about 15 minutes. I want to say 15 to 20 minutes. And this is pretty much what it came out looking like. So dolls, you actually can use a toner, but I decided to do it a little quick way, honey. So I went ahead and used both of those shampoos and I used that, left it on for about 10 minutes just so I can get some of that brassiness out of the hair. So I did allow the hair to go ahead and air dry, y'all, and now I'm just about to customize the hair. Now y'all, I have started doing all my customization on an actual mannequin head now or some type of canvas block just because on my head it's a lot, girl. Holding my hands above my head for a long period of time is just a no-go for me, honey. That's a no-go. So as y'all can see, I'm just using my hot comb just so I can see if my hairline is looking good, baby. And I did go ahead and use some hairspray just to make sure that everything kind of stays in place before I go ahead and install this wig. Already shown y'all how I got this skunk patch and she is giving right now, but I wanted to go ahead and throw some curls in, or y'all saw me throw some curls in here as well because I just wanted a voluminous look. Like I just wanted to, you know, give a little bit. I was going for an inspired look, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture so y'all can see what I'm going for. So today I was gonna use a little bit of spray to adhere her down, but I got things to do this week, honey. I ain't trying to do no hurt, okay? So I did go ahead and get my gummy glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and install her with that. Since this is my first time reviewing this company, I'm gonna go ahead and come to y'all at the end with my final thoughts on this hair. But nonetheless, y'all, I am really loving this so far. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw in a little music, honey, and then we're gonna vibe out and get this install done. So stay tuned.
That's how you feel? How you feel? How you feel? How you feel?
Okay, y'all, so I done just cut off the lace, and just make sure y'all going in a zigzag motion with that. But y'all, I wanted a little bit more security when it came to blending this lace and it staying on as long as I needed it to. So I'm just using my lace melt spray to go ahead and make sure everything kind of blends seamlessly. I don't necessarily like to use baby hairs to camouflage the lace. I really just like to use them to, you know, give what it needs to give, honey. So I do go in with a cool and warm setting just to make sure everything kind of melts seamlessly. Y'all, let's get to these baby hairs, honey. So what I like to do with my baby hairs, if I'm going for a more exotic look and I just, you know, want to give islandy, baby, I don't know what that is, but I go ahead and curl them up. Because it gives me more to kind of work with on the ends. And then if I'm going more for simplistic, classy, grown woman, then I go ahead and curl them down. So that's just a tip for myself, you guys. I just like to make sure that everything is kind of matching the style. And since I'm going with the skunk stripe, I really wanted to go more of the exotic, stylistic sort of baby hairs. So this is the completed look. This is what she is giving, baby. I absolutely love this hair. Like, I could tell it's virgin hair because I expected it to lift a little bit more, but because it's still giving me like orangey, and I pulled like the orangey tones out, and it's still giving that lets me know that it is virgin hair. However, it is really good, high quality virgin hair. It curled really well. It dyed really well, y'all. I absolutely love how thick the hair is. The wig is actually really, really thick, y'all. And then I love how well the lace blended in. Like, baby, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that we put this little skunk patch in here, y'all. I just feel like it took the wig to a whole nother level. Like, it's just not your regular natural 1B color. It's actually giving something. Like, it's adding a little, you know, a little zhoosh, you know, to the wig. So I absolutely love the way this turned out, y'all. But I will make sure I leave all the information in the description below, y'all. I was actually thinking about doing this but with a different color. I don't know, but just let me know below what y'all thinking. If so, let me know the color below. But I love y'all so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.